Today we will explain the usage of the ADPRW instruction. S represents the slave station number. S1 represents the function code. S2 represents the starting address for reading and writing from the slave. S3 represents the number of read or write. D represents reading or writing the storage first address. Host routine. The wiring is as shown in the figure, and the USB to RS-485 is connected to the AB port of the PLC. Set the communication parameters to 9600/8/N/1, set M8196 and M8125, and set D8397 to 0. Set M1 and delay the connection of the ADPRW command. There must be a time interval between the two ADPRW commands, otherwise an error will occur. K1 means slave station 1, H10 means no. 16 function code, write multiple holding registers. K0 means write the first address of the slave, K6 means write 6 data, and D100 D105 are the data to be written into the slave. M8029 means normal completion, T1 means communication failure. Go to the next step directly to prevent communication interruption. Turn on M2, delay to turn on the ADPRW instruction. K1 indicates the station number of the slave station, H3 indicates the no. 03 function code, which reads the holding register, K0 indicates the first address of the read slave, K6 indicates the read of 6 data, and D200 D205 are the storage locations of the read data. After the communication is over, set M1 to form a loop. Use Modbus slave as a simulated slave. Download the PLC program. Open the data monitoring table. Connect, the communication parameter is 9600/8/N/1. And the port is COM6, the port generated by USB, to RS-485. Modify the values in D100 D105, and the slave data will change accordingly. Monitor the message and check whether it is normal. Modify the command, change the H10 function code to H0F function code, and write the coil to the slave. Download the PLC program. Add a coil address to the slave. Modify the value in D100, and the status of slave station coil 0x0-0x5 will be modified. Modify the number of coils written to the slave to 16. Download the PLC program. Modify the state of the write coil, then view the state of the slave coil. Check the H03 function code command to read the slave data.